Meaning of elastane.
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 Elastane. Elastane is a synthetic fiber known for its exceptional elasticity and strength. It is commonly used in clothing, especially in stretch fabrics like spandex, to provide a snug fit and enhance comfort. Elastane is also resistant to perspiration, oils, and chemicals, making it a popular choice in sportswear and swimwear. However, it is not as durable as other fibers and can deteriorate over time with exposure to sunlight and heat. Overall, elastane has revolutionized the fashion industry by allowing for more flexible and comfortable clothing options.